What you know about spatchcocking turkey?
Let me show you how to bring that bird back to life with butter. This is shallot white wine sage reduction butter, aka the reason your family stops lying and says your turkey is actually good. Even the way you add butter should have personality. I like to shoot mine in like the 3-point finals.
Our sage, shallot, white wine reduction butter underneath the skin.
Brush it generously over the skin, under the skin. Give the turkey the attention it deserves. Let that butter sink into every layer.
Get it on the outside. Brown sugar maple rub.
Smoking anything is a game of patience. Low, slow, but worth every minute. Good things take time. Great things take butter.